They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
So everybody slaying bees. It's like 10 o'clock at night. It's just coincidence. Got on these Bordeaux. Check out the 12 right in the window. Let's go. How you doing? All right. Thanks.
Something in particular?
Got the 33s on sale. Got these on sale. Got the Orlando 10s on sale. Those, man, that is nuts. Get all of that. Now we got the Kobe photos on sale. Got those on sale. Those on sale. Got those on sale. Gotta hustle it up. And these KDs, not bad. Not bad. The Warriors colorway, not bad. How you doing?
All black.
Alright, hope I don't get no copyright strike. Got the Crimson tent still sitting. Got these sitting. And no more black toes. Got your apparel on deck. Got those in the cut. I'm about to get them Kobe's. I wonder, are these QS? Yeah, they QS, but for $80, can't go wrong. I don't know which way I got this. I got it the wrong way.
Senior after the 31st.
I got it like this. My daughter's a freshman, but she's about to be a senior. Got my name on here. Go see if these work. Let's see what we got. We got these on deck. Hell for me. Right there. Look at that. That's short. That is dope. Now I gotta wonder if they gonna fit. So let's go. Right there. About 11. So let's see what it do. Hon.Hi action in the store. Check it out. Look at that. That is freaking dope. Sure. Don't sleep on these joints are fire. What's going on, my YouTube family? Thank you for tuning in to Emoneyshoes channel. I'd like to welcome all my continued family members for checking in with me. I'd like to welcome all the new family members for joining the Money Squad, like we always like to say over here, brick by brick. Thank everybody for checking out my little quick short vlog. You see they had some steals. I was on the move. It was at 10:30 at night with my lookalike helping her father get some nice little cops. So you guys, I'm gonna put a timestamp in here where you can zoom forward. Got a lot of stuff to get out real quick. Some announcements. Okay, we got Sunday selection for Who Has the Heat 2 pairings. First prize is a $100 gift certificate to Foot Locker, Foot Action, all that stuff. Champ. Second place is $50. So like I said, selection is gonna be 12 p.m. tomorrow. If you guys get a chance to tune in, they'll be doing the pairing. The first battle will be next Saturday. Also on the panel, go follow PM Kicks. He's trying to get to 1K. Gonna do the 1K giveaway. Also 313_Retro Queen. I put this stuff in the description. She's trying to get to 500 to do her giveaway. Then you get McFly, the hardest working man in Shoe Tame. He's trying to get to 1K as well. So give him a follow as well. I think he's gonna do a giveaway. Sponsors for the show, Just Trap Brand. Use my code EMONEY, get you 20% off that order. SNOOCHS Customs, he got the customized shirt, Use Your Noodles. And also Money Run Clothing, use my code, do what you like, get 20% on that order. Now, for me, on the road to 2K, gonna do my 2K giveaway. Yesterday I did my quick strike giveaway, so King Rogers tap in with me so I can get your stuff out next week. Without further ado, let's jump right into this review now, shall we? Shout out to Foot Locker for squaring me away. I think it was the only place that actually got these on the island. This shoe is dope. Now, I know how we used to, people say we gassing shoes up and making them seem like this. I'm going to gas this shoe up. So I'm going to let you know right away. So don't call me a hype beast. This shoe could have easily been $200 quick strike, in my opinion. So, as you can see, women's Air Jordan 12, they didn't do the both size runs on these. So 11, and actually this is a 9.5. Actually, I was able to go down half a size, and it worked out for me. Fisher colorway, black, metallic, gold, white. Suggested retail price, $190 of them things. You got my paper now to release. The hold for me and all of that good stuff. Bought 2 pairs of shoes. Got this receipt for the sneaker receipt police at $133. Ooh, I love it when a deal comes together. You got your stamper ramp right there. Ladies, they did y'all right on these. Like I said, I couldn't complain at all about this shoe. You got your 23 paper. And I called them earlier. Put it down like so. Cause you know how I like to do. Always got to do that left shoe and look at that. I like it. I like it a lot. Got the wings joints, but these are pretty dope. Yeah, you got a little glue stain you can see right there, but nonetheless, this shoe is dopey dope. The latest shoe, for some reason, all of the inside, see, you already see just by me putting it up there, the part got that white bottom, but that's okay. Nothing that Rejuvenator can't take care of. Now, as you can see, all white bottom, carbon fiber, herringbone traction at 23. You got your Jumpman embossed up there. Now you got all these different reptilian tile textures. So you got the more subtle one. Then coming up here, you got your 2-3 with all this leather, and it's not I don't know what kind of Jumpman this is, but it's not stitched in. Maybe it almost seems like it's ironed on. No laces, nothing spectacular. I might try to go with gold leather. I'm not sure. We'll see. Then you got your traditional reptilian skin right here, and then you got another type of like a crocodile or whatever this is right here. So if you notice on these little things based off the Japanese flag, that every 3 is doing like a flip-flop almost. Well, not every 3. Well, it's 3, 3, and then right here kind of screws up the pattern, but it's supposed to be every 3. Then you got your gold Jumpman right here on the plate. Then you're coming around as traditional Jordans always do, the Jordan 12 quality inspired by the greatest player ever. This is pretty big, actually. It's leather too. Stitching pretty good, slightly off. I'd have seen worse. The person who did it wasn't as cockeyed as in the past. Got 23 here, coming around on the medial side. You got, see here, you got 3, 3, and then somehow they messed up here and went 4. Then you got gold but no Jordan embossed here. Inside with a sock liner, just like the Vachetta 12s, all leather. Very, very dope. This one also have a QR code, so you can do that thing I showed you in the Jordan 1 Phantom, how you can look the shoes up. Also, you see production date 10/31/18 to 2/19/19. Then you also have your white Jumpman on the inside of the shoe. So what you guys think about this shoe? I think it's very, very dope. Sold out. I think the next on the side they had was like a women's 8 left. Very well executed Jordan brand outside of the glue stain for the craftsmanship on this shoe. No complaints on my end. So with that being said, on a little meter, I'm gonna give this shoe a whopping 5 out of 5. That's right, people. 5 out of 5. You leave your comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Also, I hope people was able to cop their shoes. I didn't even waste my time getting them this morning for the blue trophy rooms. I know some people probably copped the light bone. I will reach back and get those if I don't get the light bone SB. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, friend as we try to move on to the road to 2K. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.